Here we go, guys. I can't wait to try it on. Look at that egg. Wow. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you an easy recipe for a coconut turmeric curry that I'm going to cook with curry chicken and a bit of rice, and I'm gonna add a lot of vegetables in there, so it's gonna be really healthy. No oil, no butter. So let's get started. Don't judge me, I cut everything with this knife that has broke.
I know how to do it.
This is the way I put my phone down so it can record what's going on over there in the kitchen. But I feel like at any moment it's just gonna fall into it and I'm gonna have the phone full of curry. But hey!